How to view SD card on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you view SD card file on Android device. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So here, you want to go ahead and locate files, or you want to type in my files. So on the search box, type in files. When you locate it, so here you could see this sort of interface, right? So over here you could go ahead and see all of these category as well as collection and all that. Now to see your SD card or to view the SD card files on Android, you want to go to all storage, and here you could go ahead and find it here on other storage, or you could also find it on internal storage. So here you could go ahead and scroll down and you could go ahead and click or locate SD file. Now if you're unable to find it, so you could also use the search box. You want to type in SD files, and once you've actually located, so you want to tap on it, and that is the simplest way you could find out your SD file. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.